In this video, I will show you how to redirect all Microsoft Edge links to open in your favorite browser, and it only takes a few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Alright, first things first, open your browser and head to the link that I've put for you right down in the pinned comment below. Once the page loads, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see this big release button. Go ahead and click on that. After the file is downloaded, launch it to get the installer started. It'll ask you to accept the terms, so just select I accept and click Next. Now this part's important. It will give you a few options, but you'll want to choose Active Mode. This is the one that does all the magic. Click Next. A security prompt will pop up. Just click Yes to allow it to make changes. Okay, under Active Mode options, I recommend just selecting all the available options. Then, under Additional Redirections, you can choose to redirect everything related to Bing searches. And let's be honest, all the other Microsoft nonsense they try to push on you. I'd definitely check these if you want the full experience. Now just click Install, and when it's done, click Finish, and that's it. From now on, all those links that used to force you into Edge will now open right up in your actual default browser. And this should keep working even after future Windows updates.